Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. If you're new to my channel, a special welcome for you. This video is really special because it's a part of a YouTube hop to celebrate that Sabrina reached 3,000 subscribers. That is amazing, Sabrina. And if you're not one of the 3,000 lucky subscribers, make sure that you visit Scrappy Tailes Crafts. I will have it listed the first thing down below, so you can go and become one subscriber of hers because she has a really amazing content if you haven't seen it yet. So the theme for this hop is slimline cards, and I will create some with the products that I had on hand, and these are some of the sponsors for this hop. I believe it's Hero Art, Simon Says Stamps, Honeybee Stamps, Trinity Stamps, Not Too Shabby. I'm probably forgetting someone because there are some amazing prizes to be won if you are subscribing to Sabrina's channel, and I think you also have to leave a comment. But all the information I will have listed down below, so you can read that and hop along. There is a hashtag that you can follow for see all the other products that are being graded for this hop, and that will also be listed down below. You will not be missing anything, I promise you. So when I have been rambling on about all the information, I have started my slimline card here, and I took one of the beautiful stamps from one of Simon Says Stamps stamp sets and I actually went ahead and colored it in. And I am using some watercolor paper here and my Altenew watercolor palette. And this is actually a flower that will not make it into my card project today because I already had created some of these off camera. I don't know about you, but when I am on vacation, I'm taking most of my coloring outside or where the kids are and stuff like that. So I did the coloring off camera since I was away. And I just wanted to show you some bits and pieces of how I colored this in, since it wasn't too much of a video if I didn't show you this, right? So I think it's fun to watch other people watercolor, but as I always say, if you are an oldie on my channel, you know that I am no expert at coloring at all. I just enjoy it and I am practicing, and I try to be better every time I'm doing it. So if you want some expert advices, please search on YouTube for that. But this is just something fun and something I like. I just like to see the colors move and to see if I can create somewhat of a similar look to what I was thinking of creating. So I actually was pretty pleased with how this turned out. I think it's really cute with the yellow parts on the petals here and also the darker center point. I have another YouTube video up on my channel if you want to see a project that I have done in the past with this stamp set. I can have a link up in the right corner for that one. So here you can see the flowers that we're going to use, and I have a light gray cardstock here. I believe this one is from Simon Says Stamp. It's the fog one, I am pretty sure. This sentiment is from a stamp set from Honeybee Stamps, and I will use my anti-static bag, Versa fine sticky ink. You know which one I'm using. And also I will use some embossing powder from Hero Arts. So I tried to use the products that I had on hand, and of course some of the amazing sponsors for this hop. They really are creating some of the best products out on the market, so I was really pleased to use their products for this and combining them. So you can see I have a stitching on my gray panel here, and that is of course from one of Trinity Stamps slimline dies, and all the products that I'm using are also listed down below, of course. And I like how soft this white embossing powder is on top of this gray panel, but also that it really isn't taking over. If I had done it in black or in gold or something like that I usually am, I think it had been overpowering those soft pink flowers that we created. So I'm really happy that I decided to go this way, and it really ties this card in well, I think. Let me know in the comments down below if you had chosen another color or if you would have gone with a white as I did. So I'm speeding this up quite a bit because I fiddled around with these flowers quite a bit, because I wanted it to look really cute and natural, and I struggled with these two flowers that were similar, and I didn't know exactly how to pair them up to make it look enough different. But I think it turned out okay. You can see I overlapped them slightly, and here you can see I going in with some of the Trinity Stamps embellishment as well. Of course I will have it listed down below, and I am adhering them with some deluxe adhesive from Nuvo onto my white card panel, and that is pretty much our finished card. If you like this, I will be super happy if you wanted to give it a thumb up, and also if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed, it will really help me out a lot and make me super happy if you could considering subscribing to my channel as well. And of course all the details about this YouTube hop is listed down below, and I hope to see you in the next video. And don't forget to visit Sabrina's channel, because she has done amazingly and reached her goal of 3,000, and now we're helping her to reach the next one. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!